This is Nate with Kilts Can Do. It's been a while since we've posted a video and we apologize for that. Life. Anyway, we're entering an exciting adventure together. You and me and the family. We are going to turn this 01 Kawasaki Eliminator 125cc massive power into a killer bobber. We're gonna have fun, we're gonna make mistakes, but that's okay. You will learn as I learn, or I will learn as you learn. Comment, like, and subscribe. This will be exciting. All right, we're gonna take a quick look at the Kawasaki Eliminator 125. It's not pretty right now, but we will get it up and running. And try to do some modifications. Just remembered, I don't have the key for this, so we're gonna have to do a workaround on that. That should be fun. All right, here we go. Seat's torn up. Something made a nest up in the engine area. We do not have the key. Turn signals are broken off from where it fell down. It sat for a couple years. This should be fun. So, oils were drained, gas tank was drained, everything was drained when it was put away. So that's a good. It was starting and running. Sounded like a high-powered weed eater, as it's a 125, so that's to be expected. From here, we will see what's going on. It'll need either carburetor rebuild or a new carb. They're fairly inexpensive if I just get the whole kit. It's about $15 for the rebuild or $35 for a new carb. So it's a hard decision. I might buy a new carb and then rebuild the one I've got, so I've got a spare. I don't know. I've never done this. This is exciting. All right, so in this video, we are going to remove the seat, which I found is kind of a pain in the booty. But we got it done. We'll do that. It requires 13 mil socket or wrench for these bolts. Got a screw up under here and the normal motorcycle seat screw. So let's do this. All right, I've already removed this screw. This did have saddlebag brackets. That's why these are actually sticking out. I'd already removed those. And I'm already dropping tools. That's a good sign for the day, isn't it? Now the ultimate plan, I'll probably be removing this fender and installing something different, as well as a different seat. This seat is in horrible condition, but it's not so bad that you can't ride it for the summer. All right, so you got 4 13mm bolts, one on either side. Then you have a 10 mil on either side right here. I was used to pulling the seat off my Harley, and I did not realize that it had these two under here that you had to remove this. So that was a fun surprise. I'm yanking and pulling and pushing and doing all that good stuff, and it just wasn't coming. I've already removed the other side, so we don't have to worry about that in this video, this part of it. Alright, so there's the seat, which we may be scrapping or trying to modify. And the next part will be removing the gas tank. Alright, so the gas tank's only really held on by these two bolts, which are also 10 mils. So alright, love bug, I'll be out there in just a minute. And of course the little one wants to do some wrenching. Maybe she'll be more of a mechanic than I will, or than I am.
Me?
Alright, so we got this. I've already disconnected the fuel lines from it. They were rotting. So we went ahead and did that. So there we go. It's not looking bad so far. Here's the rectifier. You can see the carb on there. Let's see where else we can go from here. Alright, so the next step is we're going to move the handlebars out of the way. I'm not going to completely remove them. I'm just going to loosen up the bolts, the nuts, and push them out of the way. Now in this particular bike, you've got these caps. I had to use a needle to get them out, or a pick, excuse me. Pull these out. I already did that. Loosened them up. And they're just these little caps that fit into the Allen heads. And then it takes a 7/32 to loosen these up. So we'll do that. And then we're just going to tilt them out of the way. And I'm going to retighten one. I don't want them all tight. Just enough to keep it out of the way as I work on all of this. So yeah, there's that. Exciting.